Yesterday we bimbled up in the afternoon to Bala, set up camp, and we didn't really do much else. So today, about 10, we set off. We're going to do most of the laning today, but we trundled over to, where are we?
Don't know, somewhere in Wales.
Somewhere in Wales, but on one of the first sections, Andy's the bolt for the shock absorber's come off. It's lost, so we're going to be taking that off, wait here for 5 minutes or so, see how that goes. Yeah, got some nice rocky hard packed lanes coming up today, some that we've done previously, so should be good. It was a really good section. For the 3 shocks that Andy's got because of the bolt going, he's going to put 2 on the front, 1 on the back, give a bit more control. I like that section. We've got a bit of road coming up. It's coming up to about lunchtime, so I think we'll stop somewhere nice, have some food. So we've just come off the top, stopped for some lunch. We've come back down the other side, and last year there was a big step that we had to fill in just to make it a bit more forgiving. And on the way down to that, the track was quite rutted and snagged the hood on the barbed wire. So it looks as if the farmer has filled it in. So we're going to have a look at the step. It was definitely drivable last year, and judging by the work that's been done here, it should be much better, although it was quite fun. So this morning we woke up to wet tents, but it was dry out, so it didn't rain that much. Then it lashed it down for about 5 minutes. We managed to pack everything up, slightly damp, but okay. We've now headed out with all of our stuff. We're heading back home today, but via just some green lanes. It is threatening rain, looking quite dark out, but we've got waterproof, so should be alright. We're now in the clouds. We're still climbing. It's best not look to the right because there's you can't see the bottom, but it's pretty cool. So we come up to this bank and it's rutted, I think due to the rain wash, pitching the vehicle into the bank, so we can go round. It's absolutely chuckered down as well. We come to another section that's sort of similar to the last, and that we're going to have to think about how we're going to do it. It should be more doable. It's less washed out. It's more rocky than the last one, so should hold together. And the ruts aren't quite as deep. Slight problem, we've got a sheep that's in the rut. Won't move. And by the power of motorbikes, pick up.
What did you do to it?